Hello there, and then welcome to another tutorial video. I know it's been a long time since I uploaded the video, but I'm here now, so let's get right into this video. Okay, so as we always do on this channel, we try help most people who are in need of certain techniques in overpassing certain stuff. Okay, just like maybe MTN data bundle zones, iPhone tricks, study hacks, and all that. You can check our playlist to find specific video of your choice. Okay, so in this video we'll be talking about the new MTN data zone. Okay, we have MTN bundle zone. That's the cheapest bundle you can ever get on MTN. Okay, so we'll be talking about that for this video. Okay, so there are several ways you can go by this approach. So sometimes you might find out that whilst you are trying to purchase this bundle, it tends to tell you that you cannot access the bundle because of network issues, or you cannot let's say transaction failed, or USDD failed, or anything of that sort. Okay, so most of the time you tend to encounter such problems. Okay, that's when you try to enter this code, that's *135, okay, hash, or you can go ahead to add *21 hash. Okay, and then it takes you straight to the MTN data zone. Okay, but with this video we'll be trying to bypass this technique without using this short code. Okay, without using this short code. So you try another method. That's a new method for 2023. Okay, right. So in case you are enjoying this video, I would urge you to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so that you don't miss out on future videos, because I'll be uploading series of these videos over and over again. Okay, because I'm back. I was quite busy, occupied. That's why we weren't able to upload videos, but we are now back. We'll be uploading lots and lots of these videos. Okay, so without further ado, let's dive right into this video. Okay, so now for initial stages, you might use this code. Okay, *135*2*1 hash, and then try to purchase the MTN data zone. Okay, and then this pop-up menu will appear, but sometimes this pop-up menu doesn't appear. Okay, they tell you that network issues, or the USSD code you inputted failed or otherwise. Okay, so we are going to use the other approach. Okay, the backdoor. Now I've added a certain link in the description. Okay, just copy that link and then paste it into your browser. Okay, but you can go ahead to watch the video. Okay, watch the video till the end. After that, you go ahead and follow the proceed and then do it yourself. Okay, it's better that way than to move in and out of the whilst watching the video. Okay, you just move to and fro from your browser to YouTube and all that. So take your time to watch the entire video. After that, you just copy the link and then paste it into your browser, and then just follow the procedure. Okay, so in case you want to share this video with your friends, or you want to share this technique with your friends, just share the video with them. Okay, right, just share the video with them. So let's proceed. So after copying the link in the description, okay, you'll be brought to this site. This is an MTN site. They might tell you to download an app so that you can access this, but you can just use your browser to get access to this site. Okay, so they are telling you to welcome to MTN Ghana data zone app. Use this app to purchase data zone bundles. Okay, so you can use this app to purchase data zone bundles. Okay, in case you don't know, this is another approach for purchasing data zones, provided the short code you entered into your phone doesn't go through. Okay, right. So make sure to save this link, the link in the description, somewhere safe, so that in case you encounter any problem, you just go back to it. Now let's proceed. So once you open this link, it will just bring you to this interface. All you have to do is just insert your number. Okay, and then click on send OTP. Okay, insert your number. For security reasons, I will cover my number. Okay, so just click on send OTP. So click on that, you'll be sent an OTP. Okay, So let's wait for the OTP. You'll be sent an OTP, and then you use that OTP to check your balance or try to purchase a bundle. So I was sent an OTP, and then I entered that OTP. So the one thing is that you have to use the exact number you registered for the data zone, okay? In other sense, you have to use the exact MTN line or MTN number, okay, or MTN digit to get the OTP code, and then use that to access the data zones. Now you can either check your balance, okay, or purchase a bundle. So the first option is to view data or voice bundle usage, discounts and other balances, okay? Or you can go ahead and buy data bundle in case you want to buy data bundle. That's where you tried using the short code and it didn't go through. So let's check our balance. Okay, so I have 4.74 gigabytes remaining, okay? So I have 23 hours remaining. Okay, that's less than a full day, but it's okay, right? And then you have available in my main account is 3 CDs, and you have there's currently no account information. So you could check. So I do not have any voice bundles, so you can also check from here, okay? But I have this bundle remaining, okay? So you can also go back, and then in case you want to purchase a bundle, okay, you just go ahead and buy. Okay, so you have the 5008 megabyte for 1 day. Okay, if you want to buy, just click on buy, and then you proceed to do the purchase. Okay, but this is just to show you the new approach to buying data zones. Okay, right. So in case you enjoyed this video, make sure to subscribe to the channel, because we'll be uploading more and more of these videos and other videos associated with these kind of videos. Okay, so I will see you in the next video. Make sure to share.